Hello everyone, welcome to Trading with Homely. This is weekly KLSE summary, and today I will share you a method about how to find the bottom. So today market actually get down and drop a lot, more than 1%, and close with a bearish candlestick. So just from the sectors, we can say all of the sectors dropped down. Okay, and for the most one is the energy sector and also industrial healthcare and construction technology. Those sectors all dropped above 1%. And what's more, from the daily chart, we can see here. First, last week, when we do the weekly summary, I also introduce you a method about how to find the short-term top. And I don't know whether you still remember this method. So today I will also mention again for all of you to use this method to find the rebound top points. Okay, by just counting 1, 2, 3. First, we say today the market closed with a bearish candlestick. So just from the candlestick itself, okay, there is a high possibility next week will have a short-term rebound. Why? Because you can see just now we mentioned the candlestick closed with a bearish candlestick with no shadow. So that means we can say most of the times if no shadow, especially lower shadow, okay, most of the time the market will have a rebound. Okay. But for this, we can use half of the candlestick, the bearish candlestick, as the resistance. So that means once the market rebounds and cannot break up this level, so that means the price will hit a new high again. And then small, last week we also drew a downtrend channel here. So here is a support, but we can say the price only rebound for 1 week and after 1 week drop again. So that means the market is extremely in a weak area. So for this kind of market, for our investors with better watch and see how is the market going, and then only when the market stop dropping down, then we go inside and buy some stocks. And last week I also introduced you a method about how to find the strong stock. Okay, if you forgot this one, or if you want to learn this method, you can watch my last video. Alright. So from the MACD, here we can see the MACD died cross again. And also here we can see got the golden cross. Here also golden cross. Here we need to remember if the MACD is below the zero, okay, got the golden cross, most of the times this kind of golden cross will be rebound only. Okay, and what's more, last week I shared you a method about how to find the short-term top. Okay, when the stock price rise, the highest price continues to rise and hits third new highs, which is a short-term sell point. 3 candlesticks do not need to appear continuously, and the 3 candlesticks are compared with each other. Here is a symbol. Okay, so we back to the daily chart of KLSE. So here is a bottom, short-term bottom. And from this candlestick, this is candle 0. After candle 0, this is a first new high. Okay, and this is a second new high. This is a third new high. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Actually, this Monday, we see the third new high already. Okay, that means after I shared this method, Monday got the short-term top. So if we listen and accept this method, so we will sell, and after that we can see the market drop down again and hit a new low today. So many investors ask me a question. Hi, is there a bottom or how to find the bottom for the KLCI? Because from this high point till now, the market have dropped more than 2 months, right? Okay, so next one, I will share you a method about how to find the medium, bottom, and top. Here, we use KDG, a very simple indicator. But here, we use a weekly chart. Okay, and the parameter is a default one, 933. Okay, how to find the bottom? Okay, so every time when the G line upper penetration this yellow line, so we can say is a medium bottom. So nearly every time, because I have used this method more than 5 years. Since 2018, I use this method. So every time I can catch the bottom for the KLSE. So this time also the same. How to find the bottom? Very easy. We just wait when the G line upper penetration this level is a medium bottom. Okay, and how about the medium top? Okay, also very easy. How? This time, every time when the G line downward turning here, we can say is a medium top area. So, since this 5 years, every time by using this method, I can sell high and buy low. Alright? So you can try this method to find the medium top and bottom. But here I want to tell you this method is only for index. For index only. For the individual stock, the parameter is different. And then we go back to the healthcare sector. Also the same by counting 1, 2, 3. 0, 1, 2, 3. Here is 0, 1, 2, 3. This is 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Next, I will analyze some individual stock because most of the investors recently asked me about this this stock. First is AAX. Okay, AAX actually recently the trend is very good, right? And since price sideways here and the locked chips decrease and the profitable chips increase, that means bankers' money came in and start to control the price. And we can easily use the MACD to find some buy signal. For example, here, golden cross we buy. Here, golden cross we buy. Here, golden cross we buy. Okay, but Here I want to tell you the yellow candlestick is appeared. So yellow means short-term overbought. So be careful for short-term correction. Next one is MRT. So for SMRT, actually is also in the uptrend, but recently we need to uh careful. Why? Because here golden cross from golden cross to dead cross. So the dead cross is a short-term sell signal. What's more, here we can see the bankers' money is decreased and the locked retailers is increased. The last one is about the velocity. Also, this is energy stock. Here, be careful. Why? First, we can say the price is higher high, but the indicator is lower high. So we call this as top divergence. So after top divergence got that cross. So especially for short term, we need to be careful. There is a high risk for the investors. And what's more, also the bunker chips is decreased and the locked retailers is increased. Okay, so that's all I think. So if you want to learn more knowledge about the technical analysis and if you want to get more information from trading with Homely, so you can subscribe my YouTube channel because every week I will share the KLSE weekly summary and some technical analysis method. Okay, see you next week.